Golden tea. Perfect for cough, cold, flu, and immunity building. Mix 4 cups. Add 6 whole black pepper. Add to stick cinnamon. Fresh shaker or white sugar. Fresh turmeric sliced and halved. Fresh ginger sliced and halved. Pour 6 cups in a pan. Add all the spices. Bring it to boil. Reduce it to 4 cups. For serving, chop slices of ginger, quarter lemon per cup. Honey, according to taste, and to mint leaves per cup. Add honey, lemon to mint leaves and to slices ginger per cup. Even the kids love it. They can't tell if there are any spices in it. Healthy and tasty. Drink, like, and share.